Hi guys, it's the Kids World of DIY, and today we are going to be making stamped cookies. So basically in the cookies there's going to be a very cute design. The materials needed will be a cookie cutter so you can cut out your cookies, and it can be whatever shape. I have a circle. Next you will need a potato. Technically you need half a potato, but I'm doing two designs so one potato will work. You will also need a knife. Now please be careful, I do not want you cutting yourself. You will also need scissors, and also be careful to not cut yourself. You will need a rolling pin to roll out your cookie dough. And you will also need a cutting board when you cut your potato. You will need a baking sheet to bake your cookies, parchment paper to protect your baking sheet, and cling wrap to cover your cookies. And don't forget your cookie dough. To start off, you will need your cutting board and cookie dough. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap my cookie dough real quick. So now I'm going to grab my rolling pin and roll out my cookie dough until it's all nice and flat. So now that I have my cookie dough, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my little circles to get my cookie shape. So now that I have my cookie cut out, you can have whatever thickness you would like, but in my opinion, the thicker the better so you can have more of a design. But it really does not matter, you can have any thickness you would like. So now you will go ahead and grab your potato, and you can cut like towards the end if you're going to do one design, but because I'm doing two, I'm just going to cut in half so that I can get the design. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut all of my shapes. So first I'm going to kind of like do an outline, and then I'll go in and actually cut it. So while I'm cutting out my shapes, I would like to say something real quick, that I do read your comments on Instagram. It just might take a little for me to make the video and edit the video. So in this video I'm doing the college and cookie dough. So now that I have UT cut out for University of Texas, I'm going to go ahead and just press the potato onto my cookie dough to get the stamp-like look. So I'm going to go ahead and speed that up so this video won't be 30 hours long. So a quick tip during this clip is that you will see me pushing the potatoes into the cookie a few times, and that is to make sure I get the stamp perfect. So now that I have UT stamped onto my cookie, I'm going to go ahead and do that to the rest of my cookies so that they're all UT. So now I have University of Texas on all of my cookies because my sister goes there. So I'm going to go ahead and put these cookies on a cling wrap to put into the refrigerator. Now you can put it on a plate, but I'm putting on cling wrap because I'm lazy, but a plate would probably be better. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it into the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes. If you put it in for less than 45 minutes, the decoration will not be there. Don't mind my hands because I ended up putting in for 45 minutes, so I'll see you then. So while those are into the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my sheet for when I cook the cookies. So I have my pan that my cookies are going to cook on, and I have my parchment paper that I'm going to just go ahead and put on top of my cookies. Now the reason why I have the parchment paper to put on top of the pan is so that the cookies won't stick, and I can just easily take it off, and it's just going to make your life a lot easier. Okay guys, so here are my finished product of my cookies. I forgot to record me putting them into the oven, but basically you're just going to go ahead and follow the directions of the cookie dough that you're using or that you made. So for example, mine was put it in at 350 for about 9 minutes, so I did that and I just went in and out. But now I have my cookies that say University of Texas on them, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!